Are you ready to continue your poultry business irrespective of the high cost of poultry feed? Let's gather here. When we talk about organic poultry farming, many farmers don't understand what organic means. This is the best way to go as a poultry farmer in this particular era. In this video, we will explore how you can cut down your poultry feeding cost by using organic ingredients. Many poultry farmers rely heavily on expensive commercial feed, but did you know that there are organic, locally sourced alternatives that can help you reduce costs? Not only are organic ingredients often more affordable, but they can also enhance the overall health of your poultry birds, leading to stronger immune system and better growth rates. Let us dive into 10 ways you can, as a poultry farmer, integrate organic ingredients into your poultry feed and start saving today. I tag this video how to use organic ingredients to cut down poultry and livestock feeding costs. Let's go there after this break. Don't go away. Stick to your chair.
Supplements in preparing their feed. You can still feed these directly in their water. You can at the same time mix it with the feed. It's going to add minerals and vitamins to the feed. At the same time, treat some of the infections in poultry, as I've earlier stated in this particular video. If you feed this directly to the chickens, they will eat it very well, but it's not balanced. But when you use it to formulate their feed, it becomes a very good balanced ration, because it has its own minerals, it has its vitamins that's going to work in their body. Right now, if I pick a handful of this to the chicken, you see how they are going to rush it, because it is highly palatable and it tastes nice. How I wish you can smell the aroma in this video. You will now know that this particular organic extract is very nutritious for poultry and livestock animals. For chicken, you need to dry it in this format and grind it to mix with their feed, or to either use it to formulate poultry feed. I'm going to give you a very good feed formula for this. If you need the formula, please drop it on the comment section that you need to see a very good poultry and livestock feed formula using Orange Peel West. Thank you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, let me feed a handful of these to the chicken. Alone, you see how they're going to rush it, to tell you how palatable it is to chicken and livestock. You can see they're rushing it. You can see they are rushing it without using it to formulate any feed. Just raw. See how they are rushing it. Now think of how it's going to be when you formulate the feed with it. You can see it. Can you see them rushing it now? Can you see it?
Cross your leg and let's get there. Number 1. Incorporate organic grains. Use organic grains such as millet, maize, sorghum or barley. These grains can often be sourced locally, most especially this local market. There are some market they call bush market. There's some market they call village market. If you go there, you get ingredients at a very reduced cost. That is where most of the product dealers go there and buy in bulk and stock for you to come and buy at a very high cost. You can source it there. There, those grains can often be sourced locally and at lower price. And then the conventional feed, while still providing excellent energy for your poultry also. So why not go there and get all these things at a very cheap rate? Add organic legumes for your poultry feed. These legumes will provide enough protein. Legumes like organic, soya beans, cowpea and pigeon peas are rich in protein and can replace expensive animal-based product sources like imported fish meal, which can shoot the cost of your feeding very high. Use organic fish meal alternatives. This is a very good idea for you. Organic fish meals or alternatives like earthworm meals or black soldier fly, larva and rest of them provide high profit and can be produced on your farm. If you have watched my video, you will know how I described it, how you can process it in your farm using the waste from your poultry droppings. This can be locally sourced at a very lower cost also. Please grow your own organic grains. Leafy grains such as moringa, spinach can be grown organically. Bitter leaf, scent leaf and rest of them. You can use them to augment your feed. Greens are very rich in vitamins and minerals and can significantly reduce the need for store-bought supplements. Incorporate organic root vegetables. Organic root vegetables like sweet potatoes and cassava can be grown in abundance and used as a carbohydrate source in poultry feed, replacing some of the more expensive grains. Use organic oil seeds. There are wastes in oil producing areas. There are wastes in palm fruit oil producing section. All those wastes are poured away, but you can still convert them into source of fat for your poultry feed. Organic oil seed like sunflower seed, sesame seed or flax seed can provide essential fatty acid and energy to poultry. They are often cheaper and very good commercial fat sources and promote healthy growth. Another one is use supplements with organic herbs and spices. Incorporate organic herbs like garlic, turmeric, ginger, bitter kola, and others. These natural additives help boost poultry immune system and improve gut health, reducing the need for costly medications. Most of these medications are more than $10, I know. Utilize organic byproducts. Agricultural byproducts such as rice husk, coconut meal, charcoal, organic charcoal, activated charcoal, or palm kernel cake can be obtained at low cost for even free in some places. These byproducts, when properly formulated, provide a very good nutritional boost for your poultry and livestock. Feed organic fruits and vegetable scraps. Use organic fruits and vegetable scraps from your home or farm to supplement your poultry diet. Scraps such as banana peels, mangoes, carrots, and rest of them provide additional nutrients at vitality rate and at a lower cost. Compost and worm farming for feed is very good, most especially for fish farmers. Consider creating vermiculture system, that is worm farming, is called vermiculture. Vermiculture is an organic source of protein. Worms are easy to farm and provide high quality feed at little cost, while composting the organic waste into reduced environmental impacts. Most of the amount of money you spend packing this waste from your farm can be converted into getting the raw materials for the feed. Please, if this is your first time or coming across this particular channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe if you have not done so. Subscribe, like, comment and share this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up, please. Make sure other farmers get this video. Using organic ingredients not only cut down cost of poultry feeding or livestock feeding, but it also promotes healthier, more resilient birds. By integrating these affordable and sustainable alternatives, you can create a more cost-effective poultry operations while maintaining high quality production. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more poultry farming tips and insights. Thank you and be blessed. Don't go far. Another video is loading, and make sure you don't ever mix it. Watch till the end. I remain your humble servant, Dr. Leonard. Bye for now.